At this year's Consumer Electronics Show, one of the key words has been sustainability. And among those that have made it to Vegas this year are electric vehicle manufacturers, from racing cars to diggers to superbikes that claim to be able to go toe-to-toe with some of the world's leading brands. No longer, they say, should electric mean sacrifices when it comes to style.
Well, that's the key. I mean, until Damon came along, the answer was no. If you went from a gas bike to an electric motorbike, you would be making a compromise, which no one's willing to do, just to go electric. And that's why we focused on developing an entirely new kind of electric powertrain technology that puts in as much power and energy necessary to surpass the performance of gas. So this motorcycle is capable of 200 miles per hour, 146 miles of range, 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds, and that's as good or better than any super bike you can buy from any of the today manufacturers.
But what about other vehicles like gas-guzzling trucks? As much a symbol of America as Bruce Springsteen and drive-in diners. Fully electric trucks are for sale now, but at 3 times the cost of their petrol and diesel counterparts. And the charging infrastructures for these vehicles is still at an early stage. By contrast, the manufacturers of this electric superbike told us that charging is relatively simple.
Well, there are, tens of thousands of charging stations all over North America and Europe already. They're basically ubiquitous.
It's no surprise, perhaps, that one of the big brands on display is Tesla. Elon Musk's engineering company has built tunnels beneath the conference center. These are to ferry passengers back and forth from the venues. After descending into the tunnels beneath the conference center, you jump into one of the cars. You then take an undoubtedly slick and sustainable, if slightly airy, trip underground to your destination. One day it's possible all our travel will look like this, but that time could still be a fair way off yet.